Ever heard of mutual funds and wondered what the buzz is all about? At its core, a mutual fund pools money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. So, why choose mutual funds? Here are a few reasons. Diversification, professional management, and they're easy to buy or sell. There are a few types of mutual funds: equity funds for stocks, bond funds for bonds, and there are balanced funds and index funds. Before investing in a mutual fund, you should understand the fees. Every mutual fund has an expense ratio. It's the annual fee that covers fund management costs. Lower is usually better, but always weigh it against the fund's performance. You should also look at your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you investing for retirement, a major purchase, or just growing wealth? Match the fund with your goals and how much risk you're willing to take. Remember, mutual funds offer a way to get into the stock market without picking individual stocks. They can be a great addition to your investment strategy. As always, follow and share for more financial gems.